Ever search for your service on Google and your competitors pop up like they own the place? Well, you're nowhere to be seen. Like, did Google just delete your business or something? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you every step to fully optimize your Google business profile so your business can stop being invisible and steal the top spot and get that phone ringing on autopilot. So let's say you're a roofer in London, and when we search for Roofers London on Google, you want your business to show up here in the top 3 search results in the map pack. This is the golden ticket to getting loads of leads on autopilot. So first, let me talk you through the dashboard. When you log into your Google business profile, you can edit your profile from here. From here, you can read your reviews, answer messages, add photos from this tab here. And you can also see your profile's performance. You can advertise from here, edit products through this option, edit service keywords through here, take booking for your website, and answer questions from here. From this bit, you can add updates and posts, and you can request reviews from your customer from this tab. We're going to cover all of this in the video and how to use them to boost your ranking. You can edit your business information through this bit here, and you can add your categories, description, website, and your social links and other information. Okay, so the major ranking factor is having the right primary category. So to find our primary category, we use a Chrome extension called GMB Everywhere. Put in your service and location. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to put in Plumbers London. Now this tool will show us all the primary categories and additional categories of every plumbing business in London. Categories with star beside them are the primary category of these businesses, so the majority of these businesses are putting plumber as their primary category, so you'll want to do this as well. Besides the primary category are all the secondary or additional categories, like drainage service, gas engineer, and central heating service. So this tool will give you a very good idea about the additional categories other businesses are using, and if you also offer the same services, you can add them in your Google profile as well. To add them, just go to your Google business profile and click on business categories. From here, you can set your primary category, and below that, you can start adding your additional categories. You can list up to 10 additional categories. Next, you want to make sure that your business name is exactly the same wherever you're listed. So if you're listed on directories like Yellow Pages, Checkatrade, or Yelp, then you want your name across all of these directories and in a Google profile to be the same. Now, if you operate in a single location and don't have any aspiration of expanding or conducting business outside of your city, then you can add the location's name in your business. So for instance, your business name can be Elite Plumbers London or Best Plumbers London. This will instantly tell Google that you operate in the London area, and then whenever someone searches for Plumbers London, your business will show up on top because you have the keyword London in your name. It's that simple. Next is filling in your business descriptions. You want to have a detailed description about your business. If you're not good at writing or you just don't have the time, you can use ChatGPT. So head on over to ChatGPT and you can put in this prompt. The exact prompt will be provided in the description below. Now you just got to change the details according to the services you offer, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed description for you. So if you're in the UK, put in UK spelling, and ChatGPT will generate the description in British English. Now you want to go through the description once and make sure all the information is accurate, and then copy and paste the description in your Google profile. Next, you want to put the opening date. It will tell Google how old your business is, and it's another crucial ranking factor. After that, put in your contact number. Just like your business name, your contact number should be the same across all the directories. Then put in your website address. Make sure you have the HTTPS in front of your website. Below that, you want to add all your social media profiles. And this will make sure that all your social media links show up here on Google Business Profile. In short name, just put in your company name. In the address section, again, make sure your business address is the same across all directories your business is listed on. In the service area, list out all the areas you cover and offer services in. You can type in the names of areas and select the location from there, or you can start selecting towns and areas from the map. Select the main county and then list all the small towns and areas you operate in. Again, you want to make sure your opening hours are the same across all the directories. In the More section, fill out all this information as well. Lots of businesses don't bother filling in this section, but this helps in ranking your business as well, so go through the entire section and fill it up. Next, we have messages. Here you can see all the messages that people send you and you can respond to them. If you switch the messages option on, download the Google My Business app on your phone to manage them all from there, because it becomes quite difficult to stay on top of every inquiry through desktop. Next, you want to add photos. Add as many high quality photos as you can. Same goes for your logo. Upload a high quality logo. For your cover photo, you can upload a nice graphic with all your services in it. Now here's a pro tip. You want to geotag all of your images before uploading them. You can go on this site and upload the image you want to add to your Google Business Profile, and this site is going to embed the longitude and latitude where the image was taken. Then when you download and upload it on your Google profile, it will signal to Google that this image belongs to the local area where your business operates in. And it's another way you can locally rank your business. In the product section, you want to add your services, because for a service-based business, your service is your product. For example, this is our clients and we have added their services, which are house extensions, garden rooms, home renovations, loft conversion as their products. When we click on loft conversion, there's some information about their service, and when we click on learn more, it takes us to their loft conversion service page on their website. This is how you can set up your product for a service-based business. Next, you want to add your services. So when you add your additional categories, Google will give you suggestions to add more services. So if you're a plumber, Google will give you different suggestions and you can start selecting the ones that apply to your business. This will give Google additional information and keywords to crawl through and help rank your profile higher. In Booking, you can add a link to your contact page, so whenever someone clicks on it, they can directly call you. But if you have Calendly or any other scheduler, you put the link over here and the customers can book an appointment with you after clicking the link. In the add an update section, you can add posts to your profile. This is a major ranking factor on Google. Now this is where all the posts will show up. As you can see, we post an update daily. For a service-based business, you can post testimonials, blog posts, video content, and any updates that are relevant about your business. Posting daily has led to a huge number of inquiries and calls coming in for us. To save time, you can schedule the post through Sendable or Canva. Next, you want to ask for reviews. Most of the time, when you ask customers for reviews, they have no idea where to go and they won't be able to leave you a review. So from here, you can send them this link through text message or WhatsApp, and then when they click on the link, it will directly take them to your review section. Now, when you ask for a review, you want to ask them to add the photo of the service you provided, and in the review section, ask them to mention the service that you provided. So for example, if you did a loft conversion project for a customer, ask them to mention loft conversion in the review and add a photo of the loft. Now this is going to do two things. By adding a photo, it will tell Google the location that the photo was taken, and by mentioning loft conversion in the review, it will help you rank locally whenever someone searches for your services. Now this tab here will help you check the performance of your profile. You can see how many people have viewed your profile, you can see how many calls, messages, bookings, direction inquiries, and website clicks you got through your Google business profile. So great analytics to look at. And if you scroll down, you can get the keyword breakdown. You can see which keywords are bringing the most views, and accordingly, you can further optimize your profile. Now from this tab, you can add an FAQ section. As a business owner, you can post questions yourself. So think about the most commonly asked questions about your business and answer them. By having an FAQ section, you can remove any doubts and apprehensions that a potential customer might have about your service. By following these tips, you can easily rank your Google business profile on the map pack in no time. Thanks for watching until the end. I do hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then I've left a link in the description that's going to help you solve that problem in just under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please do like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. We read and respond to all of the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.